When it comes to enhancing the value, comfort, and overall aesthetics of your Sanford home, one of the most effective upgrades you can consider is new window installations. Whether you're renovating an older home or simply looking to improve the energy efficiency and curb appeal of your property, replacing old or outdated windows with modern ones can bring a multitude of benefits. Here are the top advantages of installing new windows in your Sanford home. Enhanced energy efficiency. One of the primary reasons homeowners choose to replace their windows is to improve energy efficiency. Older windows, especially those with single-pane glass or deteriorating frames, can be a major source of energy loss. They allow heat to escape during the colder months and let warm air in during the summer, leading to increased heating and cooling costs. New windows are designed with energy-efficient features, such as double or triple glazing, low E, low emissivity coatings, and insulated frames. These innovations work together to keep the interior of your home comfortable year-round, reducing the strain on your HVAC system and lowering your energy bills. With energy-efficient windows, you can enjoy a more consistent indoor temperature without constantly adjusting your thermostat. Increased home value. Installing new windows can significantly increase the resale value of your home, making it a smart investment. Potential buyers often look for homes with modern upgrades, and energy-efficient windows are a major selling point. New windows enhance the overall appearance of your home, both inside and out, improving curb appeal and creating a more inviting atmosphere. Moreover, homes with energy-efficient features are in high demand as buyers become more eco-conscious and budget-conscious. Therefore, installing new windows can make your home more attractive on the real estate market, helping it stand out in a competitive market like Sanford. Improved comfort and noise reduction. Another significant benefit of new window installations is improved comfort. New windows are designed to better insulate your home, keeping cold drafts and hot spots at bay. Whether it's the freezing winter winds or the scorching summer sun, new windows help create a more stable and comfortable indoor environment. This is especially important in Sanford, where temperatures can vary widely throughout the year. Additionally, modern windows are also effective at reducing noise from the outside. Whether you live near a busy street or in a neighborhood with lots of foot traffic, new windows can significantly decrease the amount of external noise that enters your home. With double or triple pane windows, the added layers of glass act as sound barriers, making your home a quieter and more peaceful sanctuary. Low maintenance and durability. Today's window options are designed with durability and low maintenance in mind. Many new windows come with vinyl, fiberglass, or composite frames that resist warping, rotting, and fading. Unlike older wooden windows that require frequent repainting and upkeep, modern materials are much more durable and weather-resistant, making them ideal for Sanford's climate. Additionally, many new windows feature self-cleaning glass coatings that reduce the need for regular window washing. This means less time spent on maintenance, giving you more time to enjoy your beautiful, comfortable home. Enhanced security and safety. New windows come with advanced locking mechanisms and reinforced glass options that provide added security for your home. Older windows may have outdated locks or damaged frames that compromise the safety of your property. By installing new windows, you can enhance your home's security and give yourself peace of mind. For families with young children, new windows offer safety features such as tempered glass that reduces the risk of injury in case of breakage. Additionally, modern window designs allow for better ventilation and natural light without compromising safety. Aesthetic appeal. Your windows play a significant role in the overall aesthetic of your home. New window installations offer the opportunity to refresh the look of your home, both inside and out. Whether you choose contemporary styles, classic designs, or energy-efficient options, modern windows can greatly improve the curb appeal of your Sanford property. With a wide variety of window styles, materials, and colors available, you can find the perfect windows to complement your home's architecture and personal style. From sleek, modern casement windows to traditional double-hung windows, new windows can transform your home's look and feel. Conclusion: investing in new window installations is one of the most effective ways to improve your Sanford home. From boosting energy efficiency and comfort to increasing your property value and curb appeal, the benefits are undeniable. By choosing high-quality, modern windows, you can enjoy a more comfortable, secure, and attractive home for years to come. Whether you're planning to stay in your home long-term or considering future resale, new windows are a wise investment that pays off in many ways.